In a container, the number of sweets was 5 times the number of chocolates. After John took out 26 sweets, there were 30 more sweets than chocolates. How many sweets were there at first? So we see 5 times at first. Okay, so this is a before information. And after John take out 26, so taking out 26 is what we call the change. In the end, the after information will be 30 more sweets than chocolate. So since we have 5 times in before, 30 more in the after, drawing a model would be most helpful in this situation. Okay, so let's start off with drawing sweets 5 times of chocolate. So whatever information is given from the start, you follow that first. Okay, don't go on to draw 30 more sweets because 30 more sweets is in the end later. All right, then it'll be very hard to work backwards when you draw the model already. All right, so we just start off with sweets 5 times. So sweets 5 units, right? Because 5 times. As much as chocolate, so chocolate should be only 1 unit. Okay, so John is going to take out 26 sweets. Now, if he take out 26 sweets, means I need to shade off 26 from the sweets model here. Now, but the problem is I do not know how much to shade off. Okay, so it could be very small, it could be very big. Okay, so never mind. Maybe we park it one side first. We read on to see what is the requirement in the end. So what we need in the end is we need 30 more sweets than chocolates in the end. So don't worry about the word 30 first. I need more sweets than chocolates in the end. So in the end, I still need more sweets than chocolates, means my 26, I shouldn't be shading too much. Okay, I shouldn't be shading away 26 too much. All right, so maybe 26 I can shade off. I can cut somewhere here and shade off 26 like this. So this is a value of 26. Now, some of you, maybe let's say you do this. All right, so I'll just show you an example. Let's say you cut off, say 26 like that. From here to here, you shade, and then you tell me this is 26. Now, this is fine also, because what you want in the end is you still want more sweets left over as compared to chocolates, which is what the question wants later. Okay, so this is fine also. All right, so I'll just follow the slide. In this case, the slide actually they cut here. Now, try not to cut this into half, okay? I know this looks a bit like half, right? Okay, so try to avoid doing that. Your dotted line, maybe you can position it in a slightly more to the left or slightly more to the right. It's up to you. Okay, so my point is just do not cut this into half and half, all right? Okay, so take note of that. Try to change the position of this. So this will be the 26 that I remove off. And in the end, there still must be 30 more sweets than chocolates. So look at the new difference in the end, because 30 more is the new difference. Now, can you see, if you want to compare the new difference, means you don't care about the 26 now. Use your hand to cover away 26. Ask yourself, where is the new difference? So I hope you can tell that the new difference, it starts from this line all the way till this dotted line that you traced out just now. So this, from here to here, it's your new difference of 30 more sweets than chocolates. Okay, so this should be quite safe from here. So once you are done with this, how do we solve the question? Now, notice your 30 and 26, they are side by side, right? 30 is here, 26 is there. Together, I hope you can tell this will be your 4 units value. 1, okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so please use dotted lines for this. Yeah, this one don't use solid line. Okay, this one use dotted lines. Then it's easier for you to see the 1 unit. Okay, so 1 unit is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units is what we can work out now. We can work out the value of 4 units. So notice 4 units will be 30 with 26. So 30 and 26, I have to add them together. 4 units will be the whole thing, which is 56. Okay, then of course we work out 1 unit, just do the division. Once we have done this, okay, so right now 1 unit 14, you can write it back into the model. Now, once you have found 1 unit, always read back the final question. The question now asks for sweets at first. So now looking back at your model, ask yourself, where are the sweets at first? Is it just the white portion? Is it just the gray portion? Or is it the whole entire thing? So remember, at first is your whole 5 units, right? The whole entire thing is your sweets at first. And we can tell it's 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. right? So sweets at first is 5 units, so just need to work out the value of your 5 units, which is just take 14 times 5, and that will be 70 sweets at first.